Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle LED light. This guide will help you illuminate your space with a custom-built, energy-efficient lighting solution. We will cover everything from selecting the right components to the final assembly and testing. You'll gain practical skills and create a unique light fixture. Get ready to transform your DIY ambitions into a glowing reality with just a few simple steps and readily available materials. To begin your project, you will need a few key items. First, acquire flexible LED strip lights, ideally with an adhesive backing and a circular base made of wood or acrylic. You will also need a suitable power supply, typically 12 volts DC, and a DC jack connector. Essential tools include a soldering iron, solder, wire cutters, and wire strippers. Don't forget strong adhesive or hot glue for securing components. Now, let's assemble your light. Carefully attach the LED strip around the perimeter of your circular base, ensuring even spacing and firm adhesion. Next, cut the LED strip to your desired length, usually at designated cut points. Solder the positive and negative wires from your DC jack to the corresponding terminals on the LED strip. Double-check all connections for secure and proper polarity before proceeding. With your connections made, it's time to test. Plug in your 12-volt power supply and observe your new circular LED light. If it illuminates correctly, you're on the right track. Secure any loose wires with cable ties or electrical tape to prevent shorts. For a polished look, you might add a translucent diffuser over the LEDs or attach mounting hardware. Enjoy your custom-made, energy-efficient circular LED light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.